this wrench. Okay, end that one, Jesse. How about that one?
We're going to have to get this job done, brother.
Yeah, you're slowing us down. Alrighty guys, welcome back. It's time to get this motor and transmission put back in this deal. And yeah, we put a Turbo 350 back in it. We had one heck of a situation where we ended up having to find us a new transmission case and have a whole brand new transmission built. My old one, it broke the transmission pretty bad. It ended up tearing up the tail shaft in it, ended up tearing up the case inside the transmission, and just got all of it. So we replaced it, and it's time to get this motor back together. So right now we're putting some of that Permatex O-ring grease on there, and it works real good, making this install real easy. And I'm getting all these daggum wires hooked up on these LS motors. That's the one bad thing about them. There's just so many wires, oh my gosh. But you gotta do what you gotta do. We got it all fixed up, and it's time to start putting some fluids in this bad boy. Alrighty guys, this is a good sign. Mr. Jesse putting some peak in there.
Yeah, man, putting old peak antifreeze work like it's supposed to do.
Heck yeah, we're putting the manifold gaskets on right now. All the wiring is hooked up. Is that the dog?
Yep, there's sirens going on outside.
Alright, we'll pause that for a second.
She's done. That's all she got.
Alright, just start over again.
Nope, we're going.
Okay, alright. So, I'm finishing up, buttoning up the manifold over here. Jesse's putting antifreeze in it. We're getting really close to firing this thing up. Antifreeze, then put transmission fluid in it, put the battery in it, and at that point it's ready to fire up. So
it's rock and roll, man.
It's getting real close. So Jesse, man, thank you for your help, man.
Anytime, dude.
Seriously. So this weekend we are going to your swap meet, right?
Yeah, putting on a swap meet down at the VFW in Johnson City, Tennessee. And I have it every year, and last year we had 10 booths show up, and this year I hopefully have more. So
heck yeah, bring some
it's
junk.
an every year deal. Yeah, bring your junk, bring your old cars, your hoopties, anything automotive. If you want to make it, come on. So
heck yeah. So right now we're in the AMs. It's on the line whether or not if this car is going. The GTO will not be going to that show. That thing has been fighting me pretty bad. Every step of the way. It's getting there, but we've got problems with it, and it's just one thing right after another. So we got a lot of issues fixed on GTO, but the starter is starting to really get wore out and have some problems, and it was just best to just stop. It's not turning the motor over fast enough now, and it's just starting to get worse and worse. So it's just one of those deals. So we've been working on this, and we've been needing to work on this for a while. And so we had just a minute here to do a switcheroo, pull my car out, bring this car in, and so we can work on this thing. So me and Jesse is hammered down right now.
yeah,
so
man.
Let's get after it.
Alrighty guys and gals, it's the next day and we are at the Great American Swap Meet. This is Jesse's end of the year Hoopty King Swap Meet and car show that he has over there at the VFW. And guys, this thing did not disappoint. Lots of new faces came out to the swap meet, had lots of stuff set up. I know Jesse was very tickled and happy with all the people that came out, and I know we're all very, very happy that this event is getting bigger and bigger each year, and we're definitely excited for him. I know we wanted to bring out parts for our own, but we had a little girl that was sick that morning, and we just wasn't able to get everything together to be able to bring our junk out. But it's all good. We're still able to come out, come see everybody, and get some film of this deal in. And again, guys, we can't thank all the hot rods that came out, all the swap meet stuff that came, and all the good people and all the good fun. It was a good time. Jesse was able to raise some money for the VFW, and guys, it was a good deal. So again, we appreciate everybody coming out, and we had a blast, and it was beautiful weather, and we definitely want to keep building this thing. So next year, you guys be sure to stay tuned for Jesse's normally having this deal around October, and y'all definitely want to come out, bring some parts, bring a bucket of parts, bring a truckload of parts, whatever you can do. Let's try to build this swap meet deal up right here at the end of the year. I think it's a really cool thing to have, and we definitely appreciate everybody stopping by and having a good time with us. But guys, we're gonna get on out of here, and it's time to get back on the old Tempest. Yeah, bye-bye, Pop. All right, let's head on out of here. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye, Pop. Yeah, we'll go see Sissy. Alrighty, guys, we thought we'd turn the corner here and head on out of here. I saw a few things that rolled in that we didn't get some videos of. And I know Loretta, she wanted to wave bye-bye to old Graham and Pop over there. But all right, guys, so it's time to hammer down on the old Tempest. I'm ready to hear this thing run. We're going to fire it up here, and we're going to be topping off the transmission fluid, topping off coolant, all that good stuff on this thing. So let's hear this bad boy run. Well, heck yeah, guys, we got this thing fired up, and we definitely got to give a big shout out to Peak Auto. They definitely sponsored us a ton of antifreeze, and man, that's a huge help right there. I had no idea that was going to get lined up. I literally just reached out to them and told them what we had going on, and they wanted to be part of it, and I can't thank them enough. So big shout out to Peak Auto for sending us a bunch of antifreeze. It'll go to this hot rod, it'll go to everything we got in the fleet. We'll be using it on the transmission there. In this episode, I'm using some Fram ATF, just some automatic transmission fluid for this bad boy, and we will be topping it off throughout the video, and we'll be using some Fram ATF. But heck yeah, guys, we are getting excited here today on this, and heck yes. Alrighty, guys, so what I'm doing here is literally I'm just running this thing through the gears, running it through first gear, second gear, and drive. And then while these things are running, you want to check the transmission fluid levels. The steam that you're seeing over there, that's where I actually painted the manifolds on this thing, and that's the paint doing that. And there's probably oil on them too as well, and that's all that is. So don't worry on that. It's just kind of normal and part of it. So I'm going to keep topping off fluids here and keep adding fluids to it, and until this thing gets close enough to where we can go take this thing on a test drive. And I actually think I ran out of fluid, transmission fluid, and we had to stop. Gals, this video is brought to you by Ironman Outdoors. This is a brand new partner and sponsor of ours. I'm super excited about this and having them on the car. They're a men's ministry. They're all about connecting men to Christ and to the outdoors, and hunting, fishing, camping, all that good stuff. Jesse, I think it's going to be a good deal.
It's a solid ordeal, man, and I dig it.
I dig it too. Well, guys, y'all be sure to check them out. They've got a website, they got a Facebook page, and they got a YouTube. All right, guys, let's go test drive the Tempest here. We're going to leave the hood off of it so I can keep an eye on things, and let's take it down the road and see what happens here. Gotta get some heat in her. There we go. Alright, let's take her down the road, guys. Oh yeah, we're moving. We are moving. Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. Let's see if we got second gear. Yep. Got second. Oh, we got third. We're in business. Oh, we are in business. Heck yeah, guys. I am excited. Yeah. We got the old girl back. The old girl is back. Alrighty, guys. What a beautiful day. And on top of all that, we've got the hot rod moving. And I'm telling you, it's been a little bit of a struggle. And to finally have this thing going has been a big relief to me. I know today, I'm sure we'll find leaks, we'll find something going on with it, I'm sure. But this moment right here, I'm pretty high on the horse here.
All right, guys. Everything seems to be good so far. I had to tighten up the temp gauge wire. For some reason, it came loose on me. We're going to have to fix this wire right here when we get back. It's got that green sticker on it right there. But so far, so good. I just got a little bit worried there what the temperature was, but it seems to be doing okay. So we're going to fire it back up, take it back down the road. So let's get to it. Alright guys, temp gauge is working now. We're in business. All that's in good shape. Got the computer self-learning right now too. And I can already tell that with this having a different converter in it, we're gonna have to do a tune-up on it because it's not running like what it was for sure. But transmission feels good though. I mean, it feels like it's shifting, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, man, we're gonna keep driving here and keep checking on the transmission fluid there and see how this deal goes. But yeah, man, I'm feeling a whole lot better now. We got a hot rod that's running and driving. That seems to have been a problem here recently. But yeah, guys, let's do some more driving. Enjoy this beautiful day, and hope you guys are enjoying it too. All right, guys, heck yeah, man, we've got the Tempest back on the road. Check this thing out, man. So the old transmission swap is a success so far. We still got a lot more driving to do with it, and we need to keep testing this thing out, keep putting fluids in it and all that stuff. Right now, we're still topping off like the coolant and all that stuff to make sure it stays at the right temperature and all that stuff. But yeah, man, this thing is looking good. It's been a long time. It's been down for a couple of months now, and I've been driving this thing forever. So when it's not available to drive, it's been hurting me pretty good. But anyways, we're getting back at it, and I got a smile on my face. I'm feeling good. I felt like a part of me was missing while this thing has been down. So that part is starting to come back. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do some more driving, enjoy this thing. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this episode. It's been a long haul. I think we're about to break 12,000 subscribers, and you guys have been here for all that. So thank y'all so much. And man, look at those mountains back there. But anyways, leave y'all off with a good note. Thank y'all, appreciate you, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And tell your friends about us. Let's get this deal to 20,000 subscribers and help us do more and more things that we like to do. So appreciate you, and let's get back at it.